The DEKELIFE Military Smart Watch feels impressively rugged, with a tough metal body that stands up well to bumps, splashes, and rough outdoor use. Its health tracking is surprisingly comprehensive for a tactical-style watch, continuously monitoring heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and sleep patterns in a way that is easy to review. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the huge range of exercise modes and the ability to track distance, steps, calories, and routes through the connected application. Bluetooth calling works reliably, letting you take calls, see message alerts, and control music directly from your wrist without constantly reaching for your phone. The bright 1.52-inch color display remains readable in strong sunlight, and the long-lasting battery comfortably covers many days of regular use between charges. Daily convenience features like breathing exercises, reminders, alarms, weather, camera, and music controls, and simple tools such as a calculator make this watch a genuinely useful everyday companion.